Hi, this is Daniel Fernback with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Standing here in front of the Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. Let's take a look. The first thing you're going to notice about the hull is it has great balance and flow with the lines that carry through. It's a gorgeous boat. Moving aft, you have the Mercury 115 XS and very easy access to board on and off the boat. It has non-skid going all the way down with dedicated stairs. Also, looking inside the boat, you're going to have an astonishing amount of space for you, friends, family, and your pets. Dogs, cats, everybody. So, step aboard. The dash, extremely versatile. You're going to have all the gauges you ever need. You're going to have the captain's chair. Captain's chair can move around, swivel, and it just screams an accommodating space for all your friends and family. Up forward, you're going to have storage underneath the port and starboard loungers. Great stereo system, ample amount of speakers, bimini top that'll go over it for all your shade, and also a ski tow bar that you can see that goes over the engine counter. For more information, my name is Daniel Fernback with MarineMax. You can reach me at 908-330-2727. Have a fantastic day.